He is an interesting car. It's a Lotus Excel SE. And these were pretty quick cars. They had 50-50 weight distribution, and they were made of two halves. And that's why you see that rubber line there. That joined the two halves of the body shell together, I think. And it was penned by Oliver Winterbottom, who also was involved with the TVR 390 SE and the sort of wedge TVRs. And you can definitely see that curve. I really like it. I had a 390 SE, and I can definitely see some of that pen work on this car as well. 2+2 seater car, but very sporty. About 180 brake, I think these were. And they're pretty good value. You know, Lotus Esprits are crazy money now, but XLs, actually is quite a practical alternative, if Lotus could ever be practical. But pretty good value for money, really. It's great to see this here at Castle Combe, and yeah, real fantastic show of Lotuses here at Castle Combe. It just shows their racing pedigree, doesn't it, through and through. But yeah, great to see Norfolk's finest here. Yeah, it looks good in white as well. It would have been a real colour, wouldn't it? You know, back in the 80s or whatever. I remember, there's a guy who had a red one of these when I was in a wine bar, and he was really well off. We always thought it was really cool. He smoked Cuban cigars, and he had a Lotus XL.